Hello, Jennifer here, and today we're going to be talking about frankincense essential oil. Frankincense, also known as the king of all oils, because when in doubt, just use frankincense and it will probably help whatever reason you're using it for. Frankincense has been used for centuries. In fact, they have documentaries way back in 1550 before Christ, and it's also been noted in the Bible in the New Testament, given to baby Jesus. Frankincense, when taken topically, is great for reducing the signs of aging. So I like to use frankincense in my moisturizer and then apply it to my skin to help making me feel and look amazing, right? Frankincense, also used topically, helps to drive. It's a driver oil, meaning that whatever oil you use frankincense with, it will enhance it even more and drive that essential oil deeper into your body. Frankincense, if used for discomfort in your body, let's say you're using deep blue, if you apply frankincense over that deep blue, you'll get even a better application, a better experience with that deep blue and helping with discomfort in your body. So frankincense can be taken internally, topically, and aromatically. Taking frankincense internally is great for optimal health. So you can just simply put a couple drops right under your tongue, if you don't mind the taste of it. It does come from a tree, so it does taste like a tree. In fact, it's taken from the sap of the frankincense tree. It produces tears when they cut the frankincense tree. It has sap that produces tear. They call it frankincense tears. It forms these tears, and that's where the essential oil comes from. So take it internally under your tongue. If you can't take it under your tongue and it's just nasty to you, doTERRA sells these veggie capsules. So you can simply just open the capsule like that and put a couple drops of that frankincense, close it up, and take the supplement that way. Frankincense is great for boosting your immune system when taken internally. It also helps with mental wellness. So we talked about taking it internally. The third way is aromatically. So if you're wanting to support your mental state and use frankincense for a mood lifter, just simply putting a couple drops in the palm of your hand, rub your hands together, and then cup that over your nose is great. Using frankincense with peppermint is a great pick-me-up during the afternoon. If you're feeling tired and you just need that pick-me-up, use frankincense with peppermint aromatically is great. So there you have it. Those are the benefits of frankincense essential oil. Have a great day.